This video will cover everything you need to know about co-ownership agreements, including the steps to use an online template to create your own. Contracts Council's template marketplace has multiple lawyer-drafted templates that you can choose for your specific needs. If you're looking to share ownership of property, assets, or a business and need a legally binding co-ownership agreement, then this video is for you. Learn the key concepts and steps to create your agreement in just a few minutes. Before we start, just a brief disclaimer. The following information is provided for educational purposes and in no way constitutes legal advice. For legal advice, we encourage you to consult a licensed attorney. You can find more information in the description along with a link to find lawyer-drafted templates or an attorney. What is a general co-ownership agreement? A co-ownership agreement is a contract that outlines the terms, responsibilities, and rights of two or more parties who jointly own an asset, such as property, business, or other assets. It ensures that all co-owners are aware of their roles and obligations. These agreements are useful for co-owners of various types, from those sharing property to those co-owning a business or valuable assets. Understanding the key sections in co-ownership agreements is crucial for filling out your online template correctly. Here are the key sections you'll find in most co-ownership agreements. 1. Parties involved. This section lists the legal names of the co-owners. 2. Ownership shares. This part defines the percentage of ownership each party holds in the asset. 3. Responsibilities. This section outlines each party's responsibilities in managing and maintaining the asset, including financial contributions and duties. 4. Decision-making process. This section describes how decisions will be made regarding the asset, such as selling, leasing, or making significant changes. 5. Dispute resolution. This part details the procedure for resolving disputes between co-owners, whether through mediation, arbitration, or court. 6. Exit plan. This section explains what happens if one party wants to sell or transfer their share of ownership, including buyout provisions. 7. Profit and loss sharing. This part specifies how profits or losses from the co-owned asset will be divided among the owners. And 8. Dissolution. This section outlines the process for dissolving the co-ownership if all parties agree to terminate the arrangement. How to fill out a general co-ownership agreement template. Now, let's dive into how you can fill out an online template. Here's a list of 6 steps you can follow to fill out a co-ownership agreement template you can find on Contracts Council's marketplace. Step 1. Select template needed. The first step is selecting the template you need based on the type of co-ownership and scope. There are multiple lawyer-drafted versions to choose from depending on whether the asset is property, a business, or other types of assets. Step 2. Parties and date. Next, fill in the date of the agreement and the legal names of all co-owners involved. Step 3. Ownership shares and contributions. Specify the percentage of ownership for each party and outline their financial contributions or input to the asset. Step 4. Responsibilities and decision-making. Clearly define the responsibilities of each co-owner and the process for making key decisions about the asset. Step 5. Dispute resolution and exit plan. Fill out the sections on dispute resolution and how an owner can sell or transfer their share in the asset if necessary. Step 6. Signatures. Add the legal names of all parties in the signature section to finalize the document. Remember, these templates are drafted by lawyers and don't need further editing, unless you choose to customize the agreement to better suit your needs. Creating a general co-ownership agreement is an essential step in ensuring that all co-owners are on the same page regarding their rights and responsibilities. If you need help from an experienced lawyer or want to find a lawyer-drafted template, feel free to search Contracts Council or visit contractscouncil.com. Thanks for watching.